My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make easy tortilla pizzas. Now you can make this in the oven, the air fryer, or your toaster oven. Now the first thing we're going to do is take a baking sheet and line it with some parchment paper. This will ensure that the tortilla and pizza does not stick to the pan. The next thing we're going to do is take some shredded mozzarella cheese and spread it evenly over a large flour tortilla. You don't want too much, just a little bit right over the top. We'll do the same thing over here. This looks really, really good. You can shred your own mozzarella or get pre-shredded mozzarella. You can also throw any kind of cheese that you like on these. So that looks really nice. A little more. That looks beautiful. Next up, we're going to take a little bit of Parmesan cheese and sprinkle it right over the top. Just a little bit. Last but not least, I'm going to take a little bit of our pizza sauce and just dot it. Now the reason I'm not adding my pizza sauce first is I don't want the sauce to make the tortilla soggy. We want this nice and crispy. So we're just going to dot this all the way around, just like that. It smells really good as is. Real, real nice. Looking really, really good. That's wonderful. Get cleaned up. Now I'm gonna top one of these off with some pepperoni, but you can add vegetables, you can add some cooked and cooled sausage or meatballs, whatever you like. I like onions, green peppers, and pepperoni myself. We're gonna leave the other one with just cheese. And to garnish, we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of dried Italian herbs right over the top. Now we're going to throw this in a 425-degree oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. We're also going to put it on the bottom shelf of the oven so that the bottom gets nice and crispy. So our pizzas are smelling delicious, and let's have a look. Oh, these look awesome. Let's take these right out. Look how beautiful they are. These are golden brown. The pepperonis are starting to turn up. That's what we're looking for. And I can already see that this tortilla is really, really crispy. So we're very carefully gonna take this off. Oh, that looks beautiful. Let's chop this up and see what we got. Awesome. Good crisp on that. I would let this cool down for a minute before you bite into it. So this is how you make tortilla pizzas. My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Peace.